What is MCP? It is already in every coding agent you use in 2026. Anthropic invented it. Everyone copied it in 2 minutes. What MCP is, why it exists, and why every IDE now ships with it. First, the problem. You have M models, Claude, GPT, Gemini, and N tools, Slack, GitHub, Stripe, your database, without a standard. Every model needs custom code for every tool. That is M times N integrations. Easiest way to think about it. MCP is USB-C for AI. Before USB-C, every device had its own cable. Now, one port works with everything. MCP does that for LLMs and tools. What it stands for: Model, Context, Protocol, Open Standard, released by Anthropic, late 2024, adopted by OpenAI, Google, and every major IDE by mid-2026. The shape: 3 roles: host, client, server. The host is your app, Claude Desktop, Cursor. The server is the tool, GitHub, Postgres. The client connects them. The host talks to the user, holds the LLM, decides which tools to call, your IDE, your chat app, anything wrapping a model. The server wraps a tool or a data source, exposes its capabilities as a standard API. Every server looks the same to every model. MCP versus function calling. Function calling is per model per API. Spec, MCP is one spec, once per server. Add a new model, old servers still work. What runs on MCP today? GitHub, Slack, Stripe, Notion, Postgres, Linear, Sentry, your file system, and as of last week, the Pentagon. So that is MCP host, client, server, USB-C for AI. Solves M times N becomes 1 plus 1. The reason every modern coding agent talks to your tools out of the box. From zero. One tech basic, explained from scratch every week. Subscribe for the next lesson.